This is the European Union, a union made up of 27 member states, which are Germany, France, Ireland, Spain, Portugal, Croatia, Slovakia, Greece, Finland, Sweden, Denmark, Czechia, Netherlands, Luxembourg, Hungary, Bulgaria, Belgium, Poland, Slovenia, Italy, Malta, Cyprus, Romania, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, and Austria. After World War II, the dominant superpowers were the United States and the Soviet Union. To make sure that France and Germany wouldn't fight again, Germany and France linked their coal and steel industry. Then Italy, Netherlands, Belgium, and Luxembourg joined, creating the European Coal and Steel Community. More and more countries joined, and in 1993 the European Union was formed. The EU has a population of 447 million. The EU has the second largest economy. It has a GDP of about 19 trillion US dollars. The EU wants Ukraine to be a member but has problems with Russia. The EU is powerful but not as powerful as the United States of America. And after Brexit, it became less powerful. Thanks for watching.